Okay, I kind of had a mishap done with my clamp. I think yeah, here he is. So I decided to make them just a little bit different than what the ones that you can buy from Inventables. Okay, I made some new clamps to hold down the wood. I made some little shorter ones that I can put on my little L corner bracket here. And a little short like this right here. What I've done is I cut them out with a CNC, then cut a little rabbit in it, and then I take the sander and sand a bevel on it. And then when you put them on, they go up against like that right there. It makes them a little bit lower profile so it doesn't hit my dust hood now. I made some longer ones, same way and everything. Okay, this is a version of clamps that come with the X-carve, or that you can buy comes with it. And then this one here is the ones that I made. You know, you had to move these back, but this in here, it will slide. Whereas mine, once it's tightened down here, it's pushing force this way and down. So I think I like my concept just a little bit better. That's my opinion. Y'all can, as you can see here, there's one of the longer ones. It seems like they're working a little bit. They don't hang out too far.